Instead, we have the opportunity to make a habit of empathy, to recognize ourselves in each other.
Decorating the tree.
So our forefathers, the Jew, I guess everyone's forefather, Abraham, he was known to have kindness, and he was in the desert, and he'd have a tent, and he'd have all the flaps open on the tent, and he'd welcome everyone, no matter what, any travelers that were going through, and he'd feed them and give them shelter, and he'd be their host. He'd have empathy towards them.
And so he listened to everyone. It was like open, empathic, listening to everyone, inviting everyone in, kind of.
Yeah, and he respected everyone. Am I forgetting anything?
So
She does too. So.
Yeah, I think she covered it. You know, it's just he stood for kindness, for chesed. So that was just all four sides of his tent were open.
Oh, great. So, and what's the relationship of kindness to empathy, would you say? How does that relate?
I think they're very closely related.
That's a hard question. I know I don't want to spring that up.
A lot of it is non-judgmental.
What's the Hebrew word for kindness?
Chesed.
Chesed? Oh, so it's the same, right?
I don't know what the Hebrew word for empathy is.
Yeah. Well, I would say to be kind, you have to understand where people are, right? To know how to be kind, in a sense.
Well, you've got to be able to put yourself in the other person's shoes and have empathy. And again, I think a lot of it's about being non-judgmental.
Yeah, just not judging people and saying you're this or you're that. Just seeing their humanity, maybe.
That's true.
Oh, great. Well, I'm glad you came along and were able to make use of this space for your
Thank you so much
your
for
Abrahamic empathy tent.
Thank you for sharing your tent with us.
So the Hebrew word for kindness is
Bahei.
mizdahe.
Oh, mizdahe. And for empathy?
It's empathy. That's empathy.
Oh, it's empathy. It's the same thing. Oh, great.
No, and kindness is hesed.
Oh, hesed.
See the world through other people's eyes. Now, empathy is a quality of character that can change the world.